Hello, my name is Zarina. I'm from Uzbekistan, and today I have finished my 200 hours yoga teaching training course in Rishikesh, in a wonderful place and wonderful school, Vinyasa Yoga Shala. I'm extremely grateful for all my teachers, my fellow students, for everyone around me, for making my stay very happy and accepting me as a family member. So I recommended this course, this Yoga Shala, for everyone. Come, you will not regret it. Teachers are amazing. They are very knowledgeable and at what they do, and yeah, it feels like I have family, not like a school. So namaste. Hope to see you all in Rishikesh. Bye.